Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim. These are seated thoracic extensions. So find yourself a chair with a back on it. Kind of adjust yourself so that the top of the chair is at the level of your thoracic spine that you want to work on. So let's just say it's here. I'm going to take my fingers, clasp them together behind my back, and pull my elbows together towards midline. From here, I'm keeping my rib cage down. I'm not going to let it kind of flare, letting my lumbar spine extend. So ribcage down, and I'm going to fulcrum my upper back over the edge of the chair. So as I lean back, my ribcage stays down. I'm trying to point my elbows up towards the ceiling. Back. You guys from the side. So ribcage stays down. Fulcrum over,